I'm gonna show you how I make Greek dessert from what I have in my fridge with no sugar but still sweet. We're gonna need curd cheese, xylitol, eggs, cottage cheese and custard powder. I'm gonna add cake aroma, which is in this cake lemon, 4 eggs and 4 tablespoons of xylitol. I'm gonna blend it all for a smooth paste. Glass container will be the best. And pour the mixture into it. I'm gonna bake it 170 degrees for 45 minutes, see how it goes. And yeah. Nothing to do, talking about a Robert Riger and his Motley crew, and where you're gonna go, where you're gonna sleep tonight, and you're singing